2022 वेलकम टू वन लाइफ। अब एक ही ज़िंदगी है, शुरुआत अच्छी होनी चाहिए बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई एम राइट नाउ इन इंडिया एंड जो हमारे साल की शुरुआत हुई है वो थोड़ी चैलेंजिंग हुई है because of a few reasons which I think it's my responsibility also as a human being कि मुझे आप लोगों को ये बताना चाहिए। तो today I am in the fourth day of my COVID. I'm COVID positive, but अब इसमें काफ़ी सारे बट्स हैं, वो मैं आपको बताऊंगी। So I am sitting with the superstar. This is the star who spread COVID to everybody. He is the super spreader. Actually, not really him. Without taking any names, we had a very dear and a close relative of ours who came from Goa, and उन्हें मालूम नहीं था कि he is COVID positive. अब ये डेल्टा है या ओमिक्रॉन है, in all beliefs जो हमें लग रहा है that this is Omicron and not Delta because I'm in my parents' house right now and both my parents and my brother last year had Delta and these the symptoms that are present right now among all of us. So just to let all of you know, all of us are down with some symptoms and some of us RT-PCR tests came positive, like Ranveer, my son. He was COVID positive with a viral load of 26.9, and mine and my daughter's report was negative. So was my husband's, and तो वो तो अलग बात हो गई, वो अपने घर में रह रहे हैं 21 सेक्टर में. We are here, me and my kids are here with my parents. So that is the thing. As of now, it's it's very different than Delta. How it is, I will tell all of you that. आप पीछे देख रहे हैं, me and my whole family here, we are very big believers of Guruji. So Guruji bless us all, क्योंकि हमें बहुत ज़रूरत है. जैसे मैंने बताया, मैंने थोड़ा ये अपना काजल वाजल भी लगाया, thinking maybe I should be looking a little more presentable, but honestly हालत नहीं है. Why? Because as people are saying that Omicron is much milder, yes, but milder, no. It's anything but mild, at least not with me or my mother, or my father is a cancer survivor. He's a kidney cancer survivor. So obviously, having said that, he has one kidney. तो उनका the tension and the stress level is different. So there is just too much to explain, which I will take it step by step. स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम माई सेल्फ राइट नाउ. तो हुआ ये कि हम जो हमारे रिलेटिव आए थे उन्हें मिलने गए, एंड वी वर इन दैट एटमोसफेयर इन द हाउस फॉर नॉट मोर देन 4 hours. बट कंसिडरिंग द फैक्ट कि वो जो रिश्तेदार हमारे थे वो वहाँ मोर देन 12 hours के लिए उस घर में थे. एंड अभी सर्दियाँ हैं, सर्दियों में नोबडी वांट्स टू ओपन द विंडोज़, एंड हम कोशिश करते हैं. मुझे लगता है काफ़ी गर्मी हो रही है. मैं 1 मिनट में वापस आती हूँ. हाँ, तो मैंने अभी ये जो हीटर है ये बंद कर दिया बिकॉज इट वॉज प्रिटी वार्म एज ऑफ नाउ. सो एज आई टोल्ड यू बिकॉज सर्दियाँ हैं, इट्स द मंथ ऑफ जनवरी एंड हमारे इन इंडिया इट्स प्रिटी कोल्ड ड्यूरिंग दिस मंथ. तो जब हम गए, ऑब्वियसली ऑल द हीटर्स वर ऑन एंड हमारे जो रिश्तेदार थे वो वहाँ थे फॉर मोर देन 12 hours. So whatever the virus had to spread or to kind of settle itself in that house, वो हो चुका था. So when we went, everything was fine. We met, we had dinner, we exchanged the pleasantries, and we came back. So we must have met our relative for about 4 odd hours, 4.5 hours, and not more than that. लेकिन that's it. और उसके नेक्स्ट डे ही हमें खबर आ जाती है कि गोवा में जो उनकी वाइफ हैं, शी इज़ कोविड पॉजिटिव, एंड इमीडिएटली ऑब्वियसली ही हैड टू लीव, ही हैड टू रश बैक. सो दैट वाज वन ट्रैजिक थिंग. एंड फिर उसके बाद हमने we were prepared to quarantine ourselves and take all the precautions. And as predicted, my son, जो बीच में भी आपको दिखा था, Ranveer, he is 9 years old. He was the first person who started to show symptoms immediately from the next day itself. So we met, him on the second of evening. We had dinner together, and third morning onwards, Ranbir started to have a scratchy throat. तो जैसे मैं बता रही थी, उसका पहला सिम्टम ऑफ माई सन वॉज अ वेरी स्क्रैची थ्रोट. इसमें ज़्यादा ना मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया है, ना अभी तक मेरे घर वालों में से किसी ने भी एक्सपीरियंस किया है ऑफ अ थ्रोट दैट हर्ट्स. या शुरू में ही खांसी जुकाम बहुत शुरू हो गया हो. मैं थोड़े बाल भी ठीक कर लूँ साथ में. हालत वैसे है नहीं, बट आई एम ट्राइंग टू remain as positive as possible, and so is everybody else, because it is important to keep your state of mind towards the positive direction, not for corona but otherwise. So हाँ जी, पापा आ गए थे मेरे पूछने के लिए कि क्या खाना है. एनीवेज, कमिंग बैक टू द पॉइंट. तो इसका स्क्रैची थ्रोट शुरू हुआ, एंड विद इन आई थिंक अ फ्यू आवर्स ही हैड फीवर. एंड obviously because he's just a 9-year-old, उसको कुछ vaccination वगैरह nothing is there. So his symptoms were very strong. They are still very strong. So सबसे पहले, I don't think I'll be able to cover all this within one video. So I'll try and post more videos, maybe on a regular basis till the time we all don't get fine. So, and so that at least you all are aware of it. But for first and foremost, what is most important and what I feel everybody should be aware of and be careful of is the fact that it's not mild. So you should not be overconfident about the fact that, as people are saying, that it's mild. It's not mild. It's a virus that your body has never seen. If you've never got, and if you were lucky enough, like I was pretty lucky enough, me, my husband and my children were lucky enough that we escaped the Delta, we escaped the COVID. We kept moving because we are from the military, so we kept moving places and we just kept escaping it at the right time. But जो है सो है, जो लिखा है सो लिखा है. आई थिंक हमारे साल की शुरुआत में लिखा हुआ था कि हम सबको ये होना है एंड एंटीबॉडीज बननी है. सो या वी ऑल सेफ फेसिंग दैट, बट इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट गाइज. इट्स नॉट ईजी. इसमें सैचुरेशन का भी ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. एंड सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट जो चीज़ है, जो सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, दैट इट्स सो ईजी. आप थोड़े घंटे ही किसी के साथ रह लो, that person who's carrying the virus, it's more than enough. Whether you're wearing a mask, you're not wearing a mask, it really doesn't matter. So you have to be careful, and irrespective of the fact, as people say कि you take inhalation, doctors भी बोल रहे हैं take goggles करिए, but it doesn't really matter. If it has to happen, it will happen. But and also remember, इसमें जो बुखार होता है, like the fever I got or the fever my son got, you don't feel as if आपको fever हो रहा है और मैं बाप रे, जैसे बुखार में बॉडी एक होता है, but it's a different body ache. तो ये काफ़ी टेक्निकल किस्म का वायरस है. It is not you can't diagnose it easily, you understand. मतलब कि आपको लगेगा ही नहीं कि आपको बुखार है, और आप सडनली टेम्परेचर करके देखोगे तो you are 100. You're more than the temperature, body temperature more than 100. So you feel क्या thermometer खराब है, what is it? So one has to look out and keep a very keen eye on the temperature of your body. Keep doing it and keep a lookout on the saturation. So that is it for today. मैं कल दोबारा आऊँगी hopefully, inshallah, with another video, and I will tell all of you how it is. But please be safe. I am going through it. Today is my 4th or the 5th. मेरे को भी सोचना पड़ेगा. There's again another symptom of this virus is brain fog. It just clouds your mind so much that but it's okay. Yeah, I think I can fight this. I think my family can fight this. So please send your prayers. We need it. Luckily nobody is we are not that serious that one has to be hospitalized, and I just hope to God, with the blessing of our Guruji, it should not happen, and everybody should just escape this with a fine cause, and bless the corona also go, but just go out of our body. leave us please. So that's pretty much about it. And enjoy and have a great start to your, wishing a great start to your New Year's. But watch out for this virus. It is, as I told you, it is anything but mild. It is not mild, and I just hope and I wish nobody should get it, because it is difficult. So see you soon. Love you all.